Okay, I think we are rolling. Okay, so we have Riddhi with us, and first tell us, Riddhi, like, where you from and how did you get so famous? Like, were you always so famous? Were you always a celebrity?
So, asking this question brings me something like a sort of memory. When I came first in Georgia, in India, I did many shows. I was, known by the people there. But coming here, it was completely new. I would also thank to Georgian audience if they are listening to me. You have been amazing. The way that you have accepted Indians with all of your arms is really grateful. To be honest, like sharing my experience at Georgia's Got Talent, like when I completed my performance, everyone stood up. Everyone, like it was like 10,000 crowd approx. Everyone stood up and it was Hindi song. So
I think I saw that clip. I didn't see the entire song, but I saw the clip where they, I think, applauding.
yes. So it has been an amazing journey since then. Georgia's Got Talent was a cornerstone. After that, I got many offers for judging, for different inaugurating shows and stuff like that. So yeah, and then that was the thing which made me so-called famous.
So where are you from in India? Like, वैसे?
Yeah, I'm from Ahmedabad.
Oh, you're also Gujarati.
Yeah.
Like, I'm not Gujarati, but I know so many Gujaratis here.
Here, yeah, actually consultancy जो होती है ना, they are targeting more Gujarat people to bring here क्योंकि business bro, business.
हाँ, and यहाँ पे like black इतना पहनता है, गुजराती आ जाएंगे. There will be so much color over there. You're also wearing black. I think you have become more Georgian than Gujarati.
Yeah, they accepted me, so I started accepting them.
That's really good. Okay. And not just like the singing part, like you're also like a TEDx speaker, you have like your own startups. Tell us about that.
Talking about my startup thingy, it is an organization which focuses on mental well-being, spreading medical knowledge. Being medicos, I felt books should not be the sole thing to provide, knowledge to people. There should be practical knowledge as well. There should be a link which should connect medicos to non-medicos, right? So we challenge the non-medicos people to come up, bring their problems, and then we explain them in different events. There are mental awareness events, there are different webinar pathways. So this is all how it started, and touch wood, it is going good.
I hope it's wood, it's not like some artificial.
Yeah, bro, it has to be wood.
Yeah, because I've heard that it doesn't work if it's not wood.
No,
But yeah,
no.
I think it's wood.
It's wood, it's wood.
That's good. And tell us about like okay, so you have told us about the best experience you've had in Georgia, but me being here, I've had like really good experience, some really bad experience also. So did you have any like so-called, let's say, bad experiences here? As a
Actually, not. Please don't feel any offense if any Georgian guy or girl is watching. Like sometimes they are very irritative of Indian people, and about how we talk loud. It is very natural for us to talk loud,
Yeah.
right? So they are very peculiar about it, and they make faces. They get irritated. They don't like, I don't know, we are the ones increasing their GDP. We are paying lakhs of dollars to universities, being students, being medicos. I don't know, they should be happy, they should be accepting more, but the old people are more of that sort, but the new generation has really been acceptive of different country people. So yeah, bad experiences were those, but good experiences overpower the bad.
That's
now.
definitely true, because the bad experiences I had were mostly, I don't think they were Georgian, they were Russian people.
Ah.
So yeah, and that too, like they were drunk and I was out alone late at night. So
Oh my god, what happened? Like,
So I was walking and there were some drunk guys sitting and they're like, come here. And then like one guy tried to take my watch off me.
Oh
This
my
other guy tried to
God.
take my phone. So he took my phone, he typed his number and he was like, call me. I was like, yeah, okay. But they didn't like try to harm me physically. I think they were just playing around. Either they were playing around, but I didn't panic. So they saw, or I was so cool about it. They were like, okay, let this guy go. I looked depressed at that time. I was like,
बेचारे को जाने दो.
इसको क्या ही लूटेंगे, इसको दुनिया ने लूटा हुआ है, kind of vibe.
Oh my god, so much philosophy.
So yeah, speaking of philosophy, what's your like philosophy towards life?
Towards life is sometimes life is challenging. If you go up, there are downfalls, and it is meant to be like that. So, accepting life with downfalls, not being discouraged, being consistent is what I have been following since day one. Life hasn't been so nice as it sounds. Like, yeah, you're telling about celebrity data speaker, but it has been a lot in personal life also, which led different several downfalls, let's say. But not getting discouraged is what makes you
Never
even
give
fly
up.
higher.
And how do you manage like your all sorts of relationships and work, because you're like so busy and you have to like find out time for like just to like do something for half an hour. You have like your classes, you have to go to your shows and all that,
Yeah,
plus your business. So
I like that question to be honest, because it gives me chills. Sometimes, like this month, have been very, very pretty busy for me. So, before starting a month, I have dates in my mind. Like when you asked for the interview, I penned down the date as well. So, I keep all the dates in mind. I sit along with my calendar and write time slots. And before 2 days, like every day I have to study for I have to perform at university also about orals and stuff.
and by the way,
So-
she's not from like SEU, she's from some elite university. I forgot the name of your, but yeah, people from SEU, if you're watching, guys, she's not a peasant like you. So
Oh my god.
she looks down upon you like she's looking down at the camera right now.
I'm from DTMU. So yeah, it is very hectic there. So I cannot miss studies even for a day. And even if you miss a class, you get dollars of recovery there. So I cannot even miss class and attend shows. So I sleep on bare minimum, I would say. I just pen down the dates, and before 2 days, I try to study lesser amount of pages or so, and I complete it days before that. Any let's say commitments or so. So this helped me get my schedule working.
That's cool. But you still didn't answer. How do you manage like your personal relationship? Like you also have a relationship with yourself. You have a relationship with your
Okay,
friends.
yeah.
Maybe you have a partner. So how do you manage these things? Your family. You have to call them back. They're Gujarati. So दिन में 2 call तो बनते ही है.
Very well said. So yeah, parents are but pretty supportive. Like when they know that my month is going busy, they सामने से ही they don't call, and when my commitments are over, then I मतलब पूरी रामायण चालू हो जाती है मेरी. मैंने ये किया ये किया ये किया ये किया. So handling family has been like they have been handling me, I would rather say. And other relationships, I have secluded my circle to very, very understanding friends as of now. Not a very big circle, but those who I care about, they understand me a lot. They support me. They come to cheer me along in every concert. Not bragging that she's not talking, she's very busy. They kind of support
बड़े
me.
लोग हो गए अभी तो हमको भूल गए होंगे.
No. They, if you're watching, guys, a big shout out. So I love you all.
She loves you all. But if you don't know her, then probably she still loves you if you're a fan. But yeah.
That's sweet.
And yeah, what else do you think Georgia has that India doesn't, and vice versa? Like something that India has but Georgia doesn't, and you miss it.
About helping people, I noticed that Indians are more generous about it. About helping here doesn't work more unless you are friendly to them. They may help, but again, the younger generations are more accepting of that. And there is second thing, a very huge language barrier which comes over here.
It does.
So if you don't know good Georgian, then I think it is a hard time for you being in Georgia. And
Yes. And not a very hard time as the younger generation knows English, but you would see this difference, especially when you're out of like the main city and you go on some
Yeah,
shop. There's
yes,
old lady.
yes,
Yeah,
yes.
happens there.
even in shop and in groceries, everywhere you tend to buy things, they are the older generation handling those. If you go in banks, if you go in any public that you are sitting in Right Park, right? Like there are many young generations, so you can ask anything over here. But in shops and stuff, it is pretty difficult.
It does. So like yeah, speaking of this generosity, like I saw a really good case of this. I was on Bridge of Peace late at night. I was there by myself. I was just standing there. ऐसे फ़ोन लेके कि लाइक यार मुझे पूछना था. I'm not sure कि मैं फ़ोटो लूँ अभी या नहीं. But अगर लेना है तो इसे पूछना पड़ेगा. So I'm just trying to look for someone. There are these two sweet ladies standing beside me, probably in their like late 20s. So after like 1 minute, they only come up to me. Do you want us to take a photo? I was like, yeah, sure. I was shocked. I was like, what?
God.
Like photo, yo? I was like, yeah, sure.
They are sweet. Even my university Georgian students are very, very sweet, and they tend to help. We tend to help each other in every way. So yeah, younger generations are very, very nice.
And what do you think is, one thing Georgians or Georgia has that you don't have back in India?
Georgia has good atmosphere. I like Delhi, right?
No.
So being a medico, I would relate to how health problems are increasing in India back then. But
Yeah.
here, personally, मैं change देखती हूँ. If I get to India back after 6 to 7 months, my skin, oh my god, बहुत अच्छी लगती है इंडिया में. इतनी अच्छी, मतलब I get white and मतलब complexion भी एकदम मस्त हो जाता है. So atmosphere works over here.
It does, I think. And यहाँ पे like of course Georgians smoke a lot. So what's your take on these habits, of Georgians like drinking and smoking?
Yes, yeah. I personally don't smoke. I don't drink, but drink is fine. Like it is not about harming someone else also. But smoking in public place where you know that there are a lot of people already. मेरे को तो बहुत ही दिक्कत आती है. Even when I pass by, मेरे को थोड़ी भी स्मेल आती है ना, I tend to like wear mask immediately. So mask का पूरा डब्बा रहता है मेरे पर्स में. So I get very irritated, to be honest.
अच्छा 5 मिनट पहले नहीं आया. वरना मुझे गाली पड़ रही होती है. अभी ये वीडियो शूट ही नहीं हो रहा होता.
नहीं, I'm not objectifying anyone, but it is your personal choice. But harming others intentionally, like smoking on their face, even if they are going, is not a good thing.
Yeah, so you're like the second person, और ये था भी नहीं स्क्रिप्ट में, but I have a friend from here and she was like, if you're going and जैसे कोई स्मोक कर रहा है, नॉन स्मोकर्स यूजुअली टेंड टू मूव अ बिट फास्ट फ्रॉम देयर. तो वो पर्पसली तुम्हारे मुंह पे मारते हैं, होता है क्या?
Yeah, they like, again, it is a subjective thing. Like some people do, some do not. I experienced it like 3-4 times in 3 years now. Not so frequently, but it feels very irritative when you, and it is about health. It is your health. It is not about choices. It is not about कि मेरे को नहीं पसंद है तो मत करो. You have to respect each other. We are not telling कि भाई मत करो. It is your choice. It is your life. We are no one to judge you. So this feels a bit off to me personally. No offense to anyone.
I mean, fair enough. Yeah. मतलब I also make sure कि if I'm smoking, it's almost like कि मेरे कैसे बोल 5 meters में कोई नहीं है.
Yeah, that is what I wanted to say. I'm not telling कि वो खराब आदत है और objecting भाई.
But yeah, another thing like health से related, like यहाँ पे इतने ज़्यादा diseases नहीं है जितने इंडिया में. Like just to focus a bit more on the health वाला aspect. Are you following up with जो इंडिया में भी चीज़ें हो रही है, heart attacks? Recently this actress, the काटा लगा actress, she passed away.
Yes.
And so what do you think would be a reason? Because many people are saying कि this spike जो आया है अभी, that is because of the vaccine. And I am vaccinated, so I'm damn scared about it. So you being a medico, what would you suggest?
Don't think about it. The government issued vaccine for good, and many of the cases are not progressing due to having vaccination, right? So it is always in your good about vaccination. People linking this has no evidence as of now, no literature evidence. But yes, heart disease have been increasing in India quite a lot now. But the reason I think is the weather, first of all, because the smoke the weather has, not only about smoking wala, but the automobile, pollution would be the major risk factor from my side. What I think here, if you notice, if I go to ward rounds in my cardio section or let's say neuro section, major diseases are due to wine thingy and the alcohol thingy. Nothing about weather. like very few cases. So this has been the very clinching feature of differentiation between two countries.
That's true. And यहाँ पे जैसे मैं वो भी एक चीज़ देख रहा था कि लोग इतनी बुरी आदत होने के बाद भी लाइक ड्रिंकिंग एज यू सेड इज़ द मेन प्रॉब्लम जिसकी वजह से लोग ये हो रहा है. तो यहाँ पे व्हाट्स द एटीट्यूड टुवर्ड्स लाइक स्मॉल थिंग. जैसे इंडिया में आइदर यू पैनिक अ लॉट कुछ छोटा होने पे कि लाइक थोड़ा सा लगा है तो ऐसे मम्मी पापा से ले जाएंगे हॉस्पिटल, या फिर ऐसे हुआ कि तुम्हें बिल्कुल ही कि यार तुम हाथ भी टूटा अपने आप से फिक्स कर लो.
No,
तो
no,
यहाँ पे
no.
हाउस द अप्रोच टुवर्ड्स मेडिकल नीड्स लोगों के.
No. Here medical is very, very actually expensive also, but very
Also, it's not funded by government.
no. You have to have insurance, but insurance के अलग ही चोचले है. Like it covers some hospitals, not some bills, not some medications. Very, very peculiar it is. So the thing is, medical यहाँ जो कुछ भी छोटा हो जाए, ambulance comes. Even if you have cold, even if you like fainted for let's say 10 to 5 seconds, they will send entire ambulance, the paramedics team, and then तुम्हें एक भी NS का like normal saline, it is fluid infusion, normal fluid infusion with salt. So for rehydrating electrolytes in your body. So इतने के लिए भी they admit you. If you had corona back then in 2021 kind of era, so वहाँ भी खांसी हो जाती थी तो neighbor calls ambulance for the next neighbor. They are so kind.
I mean kind, but also like तुम्हें ऐसा medical bill आता होगा जिनका insurance नहीं होता होगा तो.
And actually insurance is not what many students do here, because 6 महीने में लोग इंडिया जाते हैं, so they do their health checkup there back. और यहाँ होने का chances is very less, like 20% of
और
chances.
डब्बा होता है वो ऐसे पूरे दवाइयों वाला. Do you have that डब्बा? Because my friends have that डब्बा.
Yeah.
होता है.
We are meant to have, like every student you see will have, because even the medications, medicals shops are very expensive over here.
Makes sense.
तुम
And
painkiller-
prescription के बिना I think देते भी नहीं होंगे या देता है?
नहीं, prescriptions के बिना like थोड़ी medicines they give, but if they are like sedatives, नींद आने वाली गोलियाँ, they don't give very easily.
Fair enough. And would you say like Tbilisi specifically, it's safe कि रात में तुम अकेले घूम रहे हो whatsoever?
It's very nice question first of all, because yesterday in Avlabari you heard the case about stabbing.
What?
Yeah.
I'm staying in Avlabari.
No, around Spar, some of the Spar, I don't remember which Spar, but like here many Spars are there. So कोई एक Spar पे the Georgian man got stabbed and killed on the spot. So safety is being compromised now these days, but back when I came over here in 2021-22 year, it was very safe, very safe. हम 4 बजे तक निकलते थे बाहर in group even, दूध दही लेने जाना हो रात को भी. That is very safe in even 5-10 kilometers of your area.
क्योंकि
You
मैं
can go
कल
walking.
2 बजे तक था बाहर एक फ्रेंड के साथ. हम कल 2-3 बजे बाहर थे, and then we went back to hotel and we like हम यहीं पे थे रीके पार्क ही थे, and यहाँ से we went back to the place. So
नहीं निकल रात को ही न्यूज़ आई थी कि that's why I wanted to tell कि भाई शिफ्ट करते हैं लोकेशन, because the Georgian government issued the thing कि भाई ग्रुप में रहो, तुम लोग अकेले मत घूमो करके. तो और मैं एक इंटरव्यू के लिए मेरे दोस्तों को तो लेके उठा के नहीं ला सकती. So
हाँ, that's true. And अभी I think daytime it should be safe.
yeah.
But Avlabari, come on, it's like in main
Yeah.
city area है वो तो.
That's why crimes happen over here. So Marjanishvili, if you know, you have been, yeah. तो वहाँ मेरी हॉस्टल थी, तो even at 12, हम जब दोस्तों के साथ घूमते थे रात में just for a short walk or so, there were drunkards there also, like literally very bad drunkards. I would say they would comment on girls going, they would comment on even boys, they would छेड़ते हैं यार, लड़कों को भी नहीं छोड़ते. So some areas have, yes, bad things. In any country it would happen, so I would not blame Georgia for that.
I mean हम इंडिया से
इंडिया में
हैं.
तो ज़्यादा होता है, so we are used to it.
मतलब इंडिया में तो वैसी स्टोरी आती है ना, नहीं कुछ नहीं है, हो गया था, 10 लोग मर गए थे बस ऐसे, 10 लोग का मर्डर हो गया था सिर्फ.
Yeah.
So this happens. And yeah, speaking of like your future, do you want to stay in Georgia, you want to go back to India, somewhere else, somewhere better?
No, definitely not India. First of all, because the healthcare system over there is already very crowded.
It is.
There are many doctors overworking despite of having so many doctors. I don't know why are still they being overworked when there are so many competition out there. Like even if you see NEET UG, if you know, it is undergrad examination. Pehle when I gave in 2021, there were like 15 lakhs people sitting. It is the entrance exam for MBBS. So there are very limited government seats, but competitive people are very high. So back in like 2021, it was 15 lakhs, and now it has increased to 25 lakhs in 2-3 years. So itna craze hai. Then also people, doctors, paramedics team are always overworked. So I want a calm and balanced life because I have music also. So I want a good time of mine for my loved ones. Because the young blood is there in you like for 5 to 10 years. After then you want to have a good family life, you want to have good social life. So getting a better balance is what I feel. USMLE I am giving in next 1 or 2 years now. It is the entrance exam for post graduation in USA. So
बट यू नो सी ऑफ यूएस अभी जो इश्यूज हो रहे हैं इंडियन स्टूडेंट्स के साथ, मेरा पर्सनली लाइक माई पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस विद अ फ्रेंड, वो ही पेड लाइक व्हाट 4 crores 2 साल से वहाँ पे था वो फॉर सम डिग्री न्यू जर्सी में, एंड दिस डूड गॉट डिपोर्टेड फॉर स्पीडिंग. उसको हाफ एन आवर में आया, दे वर लाइक कि कम ऑन पैक योर बैग्स, एंड उसको एयरपोर्ट पे ले गए, या हाफ एन आवर पैक योर बैग्स, एयरपोर्ट पे लेके इज डिपोर्टेड. नाउ उसका कॉलेज में बिकॉज ही डिडंट शो अप फॉर 3 months और सो वो कैंसिल हो गया.
God, just for over speeding.
Yeah, you should search for it if you're like honestly going there, क्योंकि वहाँ पे Indians के बहुत
अभी बढ़ रहे हैं.
अभी बढ़ रहा है because Trump I think somewhat like थोड़ा political हो जाएगा, but he won on that sentiment कि immigrants को निकालना है.
Yeah. अब it is like in every country होगा. If you heard in Georgia also बहुत सारों को डिपोर्ट किया.
हमको भी इतना इंटरोगेट किया क्योंकि हम तो फैमिली थे, तो हमें इतना नहीं किया मुझसे, बट हमारी बैग्स 2 बार चेक हुई आते हुए. सो वाइल कमिंग ऑल्सो सो लाइक मेरे पास ऐसे एक छोटा ट्राईपॉड भी था. एक तो मेरी दुबई पे रह गई बैग, बट एक जो मेरी बैग थी जिसमें एक ट्राईपॉड था, सिर्फ उन्होंने चेक किया, खोल के चेक किया पूरा, मतलब इट वाज लाइक सेल्फी स्टिक वाला ट्राईपॉड. तो उन्होंने चेक किया कि व्हाट दिस इज, एंड आई वाज लाइक डूड हैवंट यू सीन लाइक अ सेल्फी स्टिक बिफोर. सो वो हुआ, दे वर अ बिट सस्पिशियस कि इंडियंस है तो.
So you just got checked 2 times. I know some of my relatives visiting over here, like दूर के रिश्तेदार, they had 40 minutes of interrogation.
यार ये मुझे बता, आपसे मिलने आए थे दूर के रिलेटिव्स जो थे?
नहीं मतलब घूमने,
बट आपसे ही मिलने आए थे, राइट? आप नहीं तो कॉल नहीं किया, दूर के रिश्तेदार को थोड़ा रुका के रखना. ये नहीं पसंद, ये चाचा नहीं पसंद बिल्कुल.
I hope I had this influence on government.
I mean, you are a celebrity, ऐसे वो करते हैं ना इंडिया में, तो उसी पे चलता है सेलिब्रिटी कल्चर.
इधर कुछ नहीं चलता है unless and until you are in the system. Here there are no influences even in university. Like to my, I don't know about others, but हमारी यूनिवर्सिटी में हमारा ही नहीं सुनते. Like इतना ही strict है. मतलब even if you are dying, you will have to come at university. You cannot get off. So ये influence तो जरा भी नहीं चलता है. तुम like जमीन पे ही रहो ऐसा.
I think that's good also क्योंकि थोड़ा सा मतलब वो equality maintain होता है.
Yeah.
You're grounded. And you know the last thing जो मुझे डिस्कस करनी थी, that was कि about the fee structure जो यहाँ पे, जैसे मैं इंडिया में देखता हूँ it's exorbitant. कि I know so many people जिन्होंने like घटिया colleges के लिए per year they are paying like 1.5 crores and shit, and me coming from like a business background, it's like भाई तुम stocks में डालो, क्या कर रहे हो, business start करो उससे.
नहीं, like it has 2 coins, like every coin has 2 sides, right? So if you want to stay in India, some people, my friends I saw कि उनको बाहर नहीं जाना होता है out of country, or whether parents are not allowing or they themselves doesn't want to go. So in that case it is fair enough if you have studied very hard for NEET, but due to I said that competition 25 lakh लोग बैठते हैं and there are some 1000 seats available.
Government वाले में, हाँ.
So you don't have fair chance also, like and NEET में there are 3 times repeaters sitting. So versus तुमने 1-2 साल मेहनत की है तो of course तुम 1 साल और बिगाड़ो, ड्रॉप लेके करो, versus you get into some private or you get outside abroad. So you have two options if you are so much dedicated into healthcare. But personally, like when I crossed my 3 years over here, now I feel कि taking more than one drop is not beneficial for me. I would advise people not to take so many drops because MBBS is not so much worth a while to have to waste your 3 to sorry, let's ask again.
Like जो भी ये 3-4 साल थे, it's not worth
हाँ.
wasting.
So it is not worth wasting. Whether you go into some other paramedic specialty or physiotherapy is also growing very good in India. So वहाँ भी जाना, dental is very good option. I don't know why it is always underexplored.
डेंटल को इज्जत नहीं होती है ना.
हाँ, but I don't know why it is happening because तुम maxillofacial surgeon बन सकते हो and बहुत अच्छा कमाते हैं in
ये
India.
ना वर्ड्स पहली बार सुन रहा हूँ ऐसे, maxillofacial surgeon.
It's like face surgery, like tooth surgery. So तुम बहुत अच्छे सर्जन बन सकते हो. एंड टबैको रेट्स इन इंडिया जिस तरह से बढ़ रहे हैं, द पेशेंट्स आर इंक्रीजिंग, यू विल गेट एक्सपोजर टू पेशेंट्स. सो आई नो सम पीपल जिनको इंटेंशनली डेंटल में जाना था बट स्टिल उनको इज्जत नहीं मिलती. आई डोंट नो व्हाई. MBBS पीपल बहुत ही उड़ रहे हैं इंडिया में या एनीवेयर इन द वर्ल्ड.
होता है, लाइक मैंने पर्सनल सर्कल्स में नोटिस किया है ना कि जो डेंटल कर रहे हैं उनको मतलब
हाँ.
एक तो तुम बिजनेस फील्ड में गए हो, यू हैव टू प्रूव योरसेल्फ. जैसे मेरी केस में मैंने अपने बिजनेस स्टार्ट किया, सब किया, तो आई वाज लाइक कि थोड़ी बहुत इज्जत मिल रही थी कॉलेज में. दे वर लाइक इनवाइटिंग मी चीफ गेस्ट एंड ऑल दैट. बट बाकी लोग तो मतलब ऐसे वेले बैठे हैं, काइंड ऑफ लाइक दैट. बट हम MBBS कर रहे हो तो रिगार्डलेस ऑफ व्हाट यू आर और वेयर यू आर, तुम्हें इज्जत मिलती है. एंड वो थोड़ा सा फैमिली के प्राइड का भी चीज, आई थिंक इन इंडिया मोर अबाउट प्राइड.
इफ यू से बेटा डॉक्टर का पढ़ रहा है, ओ डॉक्टर का पढ़ रहा है, डेंटल अच्छा डेंटल कर रहा है नहीं मिला होगा.
टूथब्रश बनेगा बड़ा होके.
I don't know why it has stereotypical mind every country would have, but here in Georgia healthcare is not so much pride wala thing as compared to India. बहुत ज़्यादा ही hyped है इंडिया में MBBS because again like patient exposure इतना है इंडिया में, इतने deadly disease है कि उसको अगर आप रिवर्स कर रहे हो तो तुम भगवान कहलाओगे. But here there are not so many diseases to work on as doctors, so they are very under pride वाले जोन में रहते हैं वो.
I mean that makes sense also कि यहाँ पे अभी टेक्नोलॉजी भी I think उतनी डेवलप हो चुकी है जहाँ पे people understand how it works.
हाँ.
So in layman terms you would suggest कि अगर कोई बंदा है जिसका like नहीं निकल रहा है, जो नीट वगैरह है, they should either try a different field या फिर कोई दूसरी country, क्योंकि वो that's what you're trying to say, right?
Yes. It is like अगर तुम्हें कम मार्क्स मिल रहे हैं and if you are freshers like first time तुमने नीट दी है, तो rather than अगर तुम्हें बहुत ही ज़्यादा ही इंटरेस्ट है कि भाई इंडिया में ही रहना है, इंडिया में ही करना है, गवर्नमेंट जॉब ही चाहिए, गवर्नमेंट यूनी में ही जाना है, तो मैक्सिमम 1 ड्रॉप एंड यू आर डन. बिकॉज नेक्स्ट ईयर यू डोंट नो कि पेपर और उससे ज़्यादा टफ आ जाए तो तुम जितने थे उतने भी नहीं कहलाओगे. सो इट इज़ लाइक दैट.
स्कैम्स भी हो रहा है अभी, ये नीट स्कैम्स एंड ऑल दैट.
Even this year नीट का पेपर was damn difficult. It was so difficult to score beyond 600. So you don't know कि next year तुम 500 भी ला सकते हो या नहीं. I don't want to say bad about anyone. You go reach heights. All the best for your success. But making 2 or more drops is not beneficial about how I see healthcare now. You can choose.
600 मार्क्स का एग्जाम होता है.
720.
720.
Yeah.
एक एग्जाम.
हाँ.
Damn.
Why it is difficult then IIT, cracking IIT, because तुम्हें 1 मिनट में क्वेश्चन करना होता है and it is quite long, like पूरा सेंटेंस पढ़ना होता है and then like there are 4 sentences, then there are 4 options कि भाई assertion करेक्ट है या रीज़न करेक्ट है. assertion गलत है तो रीज़न करेक्ट है, दोनों ही करेक्ट है या दोनों ही गलत है. तो पहले तुम पढ़ो, फिर एनालाइज करो, ये एक गलत है, एक एक्सप्लेन कर रहा है क्यों गलत है, दोनों ही गलत है.
मुझे ये समझा नहीं है, इस पे बता सकता हूँ कितना मुश्किल होता होगा. मुझे लगता था ऐसे कुछ होता होगा 80-90 मार्क्स का. मैं तो कभी गया ना उस रास्ते तो. But it happens.
It is very tough and अभी 1-2 साल से गवर्नमेंट हैज़ मेड इट मोर टफ, मोर लेंदी पेपर. इस बार फिजिक्स का वॉज वेरी टफ, लाइक IIT बियॉन्ड IIT लेवल आया था. एंड IIT यू गेट लाइक प्रिटी गुड, लाइक बहुत कम क्वेश्चंस होते हैं फॉर 2 or 1 hour. सो यू गेट टू हैव एम्पल ऑफ टाइम फॉर 1 question. But here कुछ भी हो, तुम हार्ड हो क्वेश्चन, इजी हो, you get only 1 minute. If you go beyond 1 minute, then you lose your paper. And the main thing is, if you do one right, you will be awarded like +5. But if you do one wrong, -5 सीधा.
-5?
Yeah, -5. So like 4 तो गलत ही, मतलब 4 -4 तो कट होता है, but -1 ऐड, तो पूरे 5 कट होता है ऐसा.
Damn.
So this is how it is.
But why do you think, मतलब मैं ऐसे जनरल क्वेश्चन पूछ रहा हूँ, you might not have the answer for this. See, India needs more doctors. अभी वहाँ पे medical students बहुत ज़्यादा है, but I don't feel we have enough doctors अभी, especially in the government hospitals. So why do you think इतना difficult क्यों? Why are they making it so difficult to like get in and ये सारी चीज़ें?
Still again, like इतनी सारी diseases है, and the disease prevalence, the disease diversity is increasing day by day. The cases are getting tougher day by day as the risk factors like pollution, like smoking, like alcohol has been increasing in India. उसके साथ साथ this also come as buy one get one free. तो diseases भी उतने ही बढ़ेंगे. So you tend to have good doctors in your country, then and then only your country will be a disease-free country. जैसे mumps, measles, rubella, we chucked it out. Polio, we chucked it out of the country. So this is why they filter so much, and that is why NEET has been is proven actually the most busiest exam, क्योंकि सबसे ज़्यादा competition NEET में रहती है, because same 15 lakhs to 25 lakhs बढ़े, you can see the growth in just 2-3 years.
I know so many people जो NEET कर रहे हैं. Do you think कि like, see, there has always been this trend of quacks कि जो ऐसे कई मेडिकल स्टोर पे काम करते हैं, ओवर टाइम उन्हें एक्सपीरियंस हो गया है किस बीमारी पे क्या दवाई देनी है. Without a degree, they are a doctor. So, do you think कि AI somewhere can replace, like, of course they can't replace the major surgeons, वो तो robots कर रहे हैं already, because I was reading this case कि जहाँ पे एक नया हॉस्पिटल है, वहाँ पे एक रोबोट जो सर्जरी कर रहा है 10 lakhs की है, और एक डॉक्टर जिसका 40 years का एक्सपीरियंस है उसकी 5 lakhs फीस है.
Yes. Same, like what I feel is कि robots can replace surgeons. Maybe in future, I don't know. But medicine is a branch where बहुत सारे disease होंगे. Even if you ask ChatGPT now कि भाई कोई complex disease दे दो, तो वो उतनी ही information निकाल सकेगा जितनी net पे available होगी. But what about us जो हमने like 5 साल पढ़ा है, from live experiences, from past cases which happened, which are not documented. So what about those rare cases? और एंटीबायोटिक्स, अगर ChatGPT बोल रहा है कि भाई जुकाम है तो कौन सी एंटीबायोटिक ले लो, तो एजिथ्रोमाइसिन बोलेगा ChatGPT, विच इज़ अ वेरी कॉमन एंटीबायोटिक, पीपल ऐसे गोलियों जेम्स की तरह ले लेते हैं. सो बट इट हैज़ वेरी मेजर साइड इफेक्ट्स ऑल्सो. सो बीइंग अ पेशेंट यू डोंट नो व्हाट इज़ हैपनिंग इन योर सिस्टम. तो और ये अगर एंटीबायोटिक लोगे तो तुम हार्मफुल है या तुम्हारे लिए बेनिफिशियल है, तो इट कैन नॉट बी रूल्ड आउट बाय AI.
एटलीस्ट एज ऑफ नाउ हम कह सकते हैं ये चीज़ है, बट इवेंचुअली अगर एक ऐसा कोई ओपन सोर्स मॉडल बनाया जाए कि जो प्रॉपर मेडिकल वे में ही ट्रेंड है, विद एग्जिस्टिंग रिकॉर्ड्स एंड ऑल दैट, एंड आई एम सेइंग इन अ प्रोग्रेसिव वे, क्योंकि इवेंचुअली जैसे पॉपुलेशन बढ़ेगी, अभी हम नेट देखें तो पॉपुलेशन डिक्लाइन हो रही है वर्ल्ड की, बट कहीं ना कहीं अगेन जैसे न्यू डिसीजेस विल कम इन एंड ऑल ये सारी चीज़ें, तो जो मेन people like you would be occupied with finding cures or like researching about these new things. तो could it be possible कि जो normal everyday बीमारियाँ हैं उन सबको एक AI tool से replace किया जा सकता है?
Yeah, to some extent I think it is possible, because the nominal जो diseases होते हैं like common flu हो गया, like headaches हो गया, you can differentiate easily कि कौन सा migraine headache है, कौन सा cluster type of है, मतलब there are a lot of headaches. But still, like when it is complicated by, for example, tumor based headache हो गया, if you are having tumor and then you are having headache, तो it is not what I think future में नहीं हो पाएगा. But let's see, like tech heroes, if they can make it possible. Nominal disease, of course, ये तो अभी ChatGPT भी कर रहा है, and people are believing it. हो कहो या ना कहो, they will just Google their symptoms. Headache को भी ChatGPT brain tumor बोलता है. So you cannot rely on them.
Yeah, it does. And you always have like ये chemist is like chemical वाले बंदे, pharmacist. you always have pharmacist के छोटी कोई चीज़ भी बता. जैसे I am traveling here with like another family, both like it's like 4 people, husband wife, उनके son and his wife.
Okay.
So both the guys, the men, they are doctors. So that uncle, he is like my family doctor since I was a kid. तो मैं उनको फ़ोन कर देता कि अंकल ये चीज़ हुई है. He asked me a few questions. Oh, Daman Shobha. So yeah. तो मैं उनको से पूछता हूँ कि लाइक मुझे पूछता है कि क्या चीज़ हो रही है तेरे को, सिम्टम्स क्या है ऐसे ऐसे. ये सजेस्ट भी समथिंग एंड आई एम हील्ड. तो आई थिंक ये भी कल्चर रहने वाला है यहाँ पे थोड़ा बहुत मेरे ख्याल से कि इंडिया में एटलीस्ट कि तुम्हारे क्वैक्स पे थोड़ा डिपेंडेंट होंगे लोग, लाइक या फिर तुम्हारे फैमिली डॉक्टर्स या फार्मासिस्ट हो गए उस पर भी होंगे. एंड AI could be an addition to it.
Yeah, it can be an addition, but again, like yes, it can be an addition, but it cannot be a sole replacement. Because जो चीज़ होती आ रही है, the cluster of symptoms you have, कुछ चीज़ ऐसी भी होती है जो पेशेंट को एज अ सिम्टम अभी तक बाहर ना आई हो. That AI cannot check. Humans only can check कि भाई ये अगर ये symptoms है तो it is probable कि ये भी साथ में हो. And when you check, it tends to come out.
And AI can't really touch and feel you.
Yeah. Even if they make a robot, I don't think इतना proficiency ला सकता है. The minute details which doctor in seconds they think about differentials, in seconds they just it is not very easy how the layman sees as doctor कि भाई इसको तो इतने साल का experience है तो वो करेगा ही 2 मिनट में diagnose. मतलब उसका रात का पसीना बहा है. So I don't think that पसीना robot can replace it.
They can. And बहुत सारी टाइम ना मैंने खुद के केस में नोटिस किया कि मुझे कोई ऐसी चीज़ हो रही है जो मुझे पता नहीं हाउ टू एक्सप्लेन इट. जैसे मुझे सोर थ्रोट है बट अलग टाइप का सोर थ्रोट है.
Exactly what I am saying. You don't know what is happening to you. Even if you explain it to AI, अगर तुम अच्छे से नहीं करोगे तो your पूरा diagnosis बदल जाएगा तुम्हारा. So this is how this is why I don't like AI in medicine.
That's true क्योंकि अगर if it goes wrong, it will go wrong and accountability कुछ नहीं होगी.
हाँ, अगर तुम्हें 2 डिसीज है ऑलरेडी, अगर तुम वो चैट जीपीटी करके क्या पता तुम तीसरा ला रहे हो, 2 तो नहीं भेज रहे, तुम तीसरा एडिशन कर रहे हो, तो it is not feasible as of now I think. AI in medicine.
Lastly, what's your message for all the people जिनके mental health messed up है अभी because of either they are trying to get into medicals and it's like so much pressure because you come from that background जहाँ पे you have so much pressure, या फिर in general अभी I feel कि like एक बहुत disturbed mental health चल रही है. I know so many people जिनके लाइफ में अच्छा भी हो रहा है, they are only focusing on the negative aspects and not their fault क्योंकि लाइफ में इतनी बुरी चीज़ें देखी है या फिर इतना ज़्यादा अफेक्ट हुआ है वो. What would be your message to them?
Actually as I said कि when you go up there will be downs and if you have downs you think that I was going up that's why I went through downfalls and taking it in positive way is how life works. तुम्हारे पास अगर 5 डाउनफॉल है तो फ्यूचर में 10-15 आएंगे. This won't stop here. So taking it positively, learning from your mistakes, keeping journey going on and consistency if you want to achieve for example NEET UG results, NEET PG results or like FMG like foreign medical graduate examination. अगर तुम्हें किसी चीज़ में सक्सेस लानी है you will have downfalls but if you take it positively and consistency रखोगे that will bring you positivity towards life. अगर तुम एक दिन बिगड़ा है और अगर तुम रेस्ट 20 डेज वो सोच के चल रहे हो कि भाई मेरे यार एक दिन बिगड़ गया यार मैं कैसे कोप अप करूँगा, जस्ट फॉरगेट व्हाट हैपेंड बैड, जस्ट फोकस ऑन गुड थिंग्स. इवन इन योर लाइफ, इवन इन माई लाइफ, एवरीवन्स लाइफ हैज़ बैड थिंग्स गोइंग ऑन. मे बी अगर मैं कैमरा के सामने आ रही हूँ आज, दैट डजंट मीन कि मेरी लाइफ बहुत ही चिल चल रही है अभी. आई हैव सम थिंग्स इन माई सेल्फ ऑलरेडी गोइंग ऑन द वे है. अभी मैं जाऊँगी, आई हैव टू फेस some other issues, कुछ और ही burden आ जाएगा मेरे पे. But progress is the only constant would be the thing. So this is the only message and I hope everyone seeing this podcast would take some positive bits of my journey.
And your journey, yes. Yeah. Thank you so much, Riddhi. It was amazing talking to you. I mean, I don't think I've had such a chill conversation with a medico and such a boss lady before, but
No. You believe me, medicos are the chillest guys, girls. Like it is a stereotype कि भाई बहुत nerd type होंगे, nerdy, book से बाहर ही नहीं आते होंगे. But once you hang out with them, you will get no good people than them because they have the this stress taking ability. तो वो खुद ही पेव करते हैं रास्ता कि कहाँ से हम स्ट्रेस से बाहर निकले. So even if you have stress, we have very good capability to take you out from stress because we were the ones in the thing, in the shoe very often. We are the ones very often. So we know how the things
You know how
work.
to deal with stress also. वो एक चीज़ है मैंने देखी है. जैसे मेरे होटल के सामने ही एक हॉस्टल है, बॉयज हॉस्टल. वहाँ पे एक बंदा बुक लेके पढ़ रहा है, नहीं स्मोकिंग. तो ही चेन स्मोकिंग बट पढ़ भी रहा है. तो स्ट्रेस हो रहा है उसको, रिलीव भी कर रहा है, पढ़ा भी रहा है. So,
Yeah. Very true. Like this is how it works. Like stress किसी की भी लाइफ में आएगा. It is not only about medicos. It is not only about business relationships. अगर तुम्हारा कोई पर्सनल भी स्ट्रेस चल रहा है, स्ट्रेस आ रहा है तो स्ट्रेस जाएगा भी. So just be happy. Travel as he's traveling. He's interviewing people. So yeah. Thank you so much for having me.
it's my pleasure.
It was a great time having conversation after long with some influencer or having a documentary type of thing after so long. It was nice to speak on different aspects of life and the advices.
I think people will find this very useful because you come from two different backgrounds and you're merging it together so well. It's almost artistic. You're blending like music with medical and you're managing your business, so it's all in one. So yeah, I'm really happy I know you and I spoke to you. It's like I'm so
It is
grateful
my
to you.
pleasure, and I hope we cross path in future also somewhere.
Yes. And I think social media has that power that you're added on social media.
Yes. Amazing thing you brought up. Social media has so strong power, and I noticed it in like recent years, like 2-3 साल से ही मुझे उसका power पता चला है. Because before 2-3 years I was in my shell of that neat thing. पास करना है, एग्जाम जाना है, ये करना है, वो करना है. But once I came here, इतने connections हुए लोगों से. I started my Heal and Hope organization. Then I came to know भाई social media has, अगर तुम if you have good amount of followers, you are भाई तुम राजा हो भाई दुनिया के. इतने तुम्हारे being sponsorship, तुम्हारे sponsorship की offers आती है. तुम्हें भी met through that.
Yeah, we
So,
went through social
yeah.
media,
So it has very भाई बहुत ही ताकतवर है भाई social media.
but
But
just a caution, like social media का भी
हाँ.
एक चीज है, depends on what kind of followers you have. तुम कैसे, now she has got the followers from her talent. Like I know few people जो बस अपनी like एक masked personality से followers लेंगे,
हाँ,
which is like
हाँ,
कि
हाँ.
showing off their body or something. Not
Yes.
to comment on it, not judging them for that. But तुम्हें उसमें से वैसे, so like if she is getting a sponsorships, she is a credible person. वो एक medical product recommend करेगी, people will buy it क्योंकि उसने research करी होगी उतनी.
yes.
But तुम लोग को फिर वैसे ही आएंगे, So that is also one thing. If you want to be an
yes.
influencer or something, my suggestion so far would be कि focus on how you grow your social, how you are
Yes,
online.
How you grow yourself and how you portray things on social media is how you are judged. So and तुम जितना भी बोलो कि मैं नहीं कर रहा हूँ judge, it is not objectifying. But कहीं ना कहीं अंदर we judge.
We do
Let's
do
be
that.
real. We judge. We judge people. You will judge me. I will judge you somewhere in the life. Seeing post. Now social media is the only way of staying connected. तो अगर if you are posting something, I will judge you कि भाई okay ये यहाँ जा रहा है, not in a bad way, even in good way. If I know you, if I knew you before and you posted something about Georgia, then I would be happy. I would have judged you in a positive way. कि भाई nice, he's traveling, he's seeing countries, he's meeting new people, something sort of that. So
And vice versa, अगर मैं कुछ offensive post कर रहा हूँ social media पे, something which is not very like ऐसे generally acceptable,
हाँ.
तो भी वो होगा कि unless it's like something very ऐसे political या कुछ, people would judge me कि अगर मैं बिना बात के ऐसे ही करूँ कि बस अपनी ऐसे बिना कपड़े के फोटो डालते रहूँ, तो she would say यार ये क्या पागल लड़का है. So that
नहीं
happens.
सही है. It is, you have to be very cautious. And also again one thing I would like to add about social media is getting lost in social media is also one of the very deadliest side effect it has. You spend hours of hours scrolling Instagram, not knowing, procrastinating your work, I would say. तुम दिन में कुछ भी नहीं कर रहे हो, एक दो टास्क कर रहे हो, खाना बना रहे हो, तुम इंस्टा स्क्रॉल कर रहे हो, सो जा रहे हो. Like this is not how it works. You have to use social media's power in a right way to gain more popularity, I would say, to gain more confidence, to gain more opportunities. It has two features, whether you can portray yourself और ऐसा बनो कि लोग तुम्हारी रील देखें, rather than you seeing people's reel and wasting your day.
And for a good reason, I would say reel भी देखे तो उन्हें कुछ value मिल रही है उसमें
हाँ. So this is how life, even in life also, like you do good things, people will admire you. If you do bad things, तुम्हारे 10 अच्छी चीज also gets washed out.
That's
So it is how you portray yourself very cautiously in social media as well as in life. So to all the NEET UG aspirants also, you have a long way to go. Don't get yourself merged into social media thingy right from now. Even when I was in NEET, I focused on NEET entirely. Then and then, like, I grabbed more opportunities because life के different phases होते हैं. You cannot rely all phases on social media. अगर मैं तब इतना ही ज़्यादा एक्टिव होती social media पे, तो क्या पता मैं इधर नहीं होती जहाँ where I stand. So it is all about focusing your time, your energy. What I personally did, जो आपने पहला question पूछा, like how you schedule yourself, how you schedule your day. It is about sitting in the morning, taking a schedule, taking a planner. मैं क्या करती हूँ, एक चीज़ is very beneficial. What I found about myself is हर एक घंटा का I write what I do. So if I have been here with you, so I'll go home, write my 3 hours. तो मैं एक घंटा कम्यूटिंग में लिया मैंने, फिर 1-2 घंटा मैं बैठी विथ यू फॉर दिस थिंग, फॉर कन्वर्जेशन. मैं 1 घंटा जाने में आया, फिर आई विल इवेल्युएट एवरीथिंग एट द एंड ऑफ माई डे. How, when, why did I waste my time, and next day I will try to be more productive. So that way you are not competing with your audience, not competing with your people, not competing with your friends. There are no grudges. You are competing with yourself. You are becoming better version of yourself each and every day. So this is how it works, and just try this method in any stage. अगर आप डॉक्टर भी हो, अगर आप इन्फ्लुएंसर हो, तुम कहाँ टाइम वेस्ट कर रहे हो, यू विल सी अ ड्रास्टिक इम्प्रूवमेंट इन 1 week. एंड फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, लाइक जितना भी म्यूज़िक भी है मेरा, तो इट इज़ अबाउट सेकेंडरी थिंग. फर्स्ट थिंग इज़ ऑलवेज स्टडी. दैट क्या पता कि इंस्टाग्राम कल से बंद हो जाए. You never know what will happen next. The only thing which will be with you is your knowledge, is your talent, is your growth. अगर कल इन्फ्लुएंसर, अगर मैं कल सोशल मीडिया इंस्टाग्राम रातों रात बंद हो गया, तो मेरे इतने फॉलोअर्स कुछ मायने नहीं रखेंगे. मैंने इतना टाइम वेस्ट किया होगा अबाउट व्हाट यू सेड इन अ नेगेटिव वे ऑल्सो, कि अगर मैं अपना बॉडी पोर्ट्रे करके भी अगर फॉलोअर्स लाई होती, तो कुछ मेरे में टैलेंट नहीं बढ़ा फॉर दैट. So work on yourself, work on your talents, increase them each and every day. So agar you don't have to rely on any social media platform also. This is what I will say at the end.
And yeah, like closing statement मेरा तो ये होगा कि we all are young and like she said, अभी time waste करना या फिर going too much into social media where it's controlling you, उससे better है create your individuality, guys.
Yes.
Focus on your talents, and I think you guys would be good to go.
Yes, absolutely. And amazing talking to you. Bye.
Bye guys, take care. And yeah, her like socials would be down in the description, so you can check her out.
Feel to follow.
Feel free to follow. ये मैं रखूँगा, ये कट नहीं करूँगा. This was a nice blooper. ये end तक जो देखेंगे उनके लिए बोनस हो जाएगा कुछ. And I think आपके फ्रेंड्स देखेंगे.
अरे बहुत ही एक्साइटेड है वो लोग.
लाइक वो ऐसे होगा ना कि अरे ढूंढना है कहाँ पे कुछ गलती कर दे, हम ऐसे इसको चिढ़ाए वो करके.
हाँ यार, फ्रेंड्स और भाई लोग ऐसा गलती है तो ढूंढने के लिए बहुत लोग हैं, नॉट ओनली फ्रेंड्स.
नहीं, वो तो सिर्फ रिश्तेदार भी. अच्छा क्या कर रही है लड़की होती है ज़्यादा देखता है.
हाँ, how can she be so much productive in every field? So कहीं ना कहीं when you have a good face, तुम्हारी वो अंदर से दिख जाता है that you are jealous. You are not so happy with others. So तुम जितना लोगों के लिए खुश होते हो, it will create a positive space inside you, जो तुम्हें eventually तुम्हें ही help करेगा. So बहुत ज़्यादा ही philosophical हो गया है अब.
But
So
yeah.
we should
Bye guys. Thank you so much for watching till here. And yeah, follow us guys. Bye bye. See you all.
Bye.